Welcome back to Home Renovation Insights. Today, we're giving you the ultimate guide, how to choose the right bathroom remodel contractor in Fairfax, Virginia. Consider this your pre-hiring checklist.
Before signing any contract, you need to verify 10 critical items.
Start with licensing. What should homeowners verify?
Virginia Class A contractor license. Ask for the license number and verify it online through the state licensing board. If the contractor works in Maryland, they need separate licensing.
And insurance?
Request current general liability and workers' compensation certificates. Contact insurance companies directly to confirm coverage is active. This protects you from massive liability.
What about references?
At least 3 recent bathroom remodel clients. Have actual conversations. Look for 4+ star average across Google, Yelp, Houzz, and Better Business Bureau.
Should they look at past work?
Absolutely. Request portfolio photos of completed bathrooms similar to your project. Even better, visit completed projects in person.
What should estimates include?
Detailed, itemized pricing breakdown. Specific costs for materials, labor, timeline. The contract needs comprehensive scope, timeline, payment terms, and change order procedures in writing.
What about permits?
The contractor should handle all permitting. If they want you to pull permits, that's a red flag. You need written warranty for both materials and installation.
And communication?
Single point of contact throughout the project. One person who knows your bathroom and can answer questions or solve problems.
What questions should homeowners ask during consultations?
Start with credentials. What's your contractor license number? May I verify it? Can you provide current insurance certificates? Are you bonded?
What about experience?
How many bathroom remodels have you completed in Fairfax County? Do you have photos of projects similar to mine? Can I speak with 3 recent clients?
What about process questions?
What's included in your estimate? What's your typical timeline? Who will be my main point of contact? How do you handle unexpected issues? What's your payment schedule? Never pay more than 10% up front.
What about project management?
Do you handle permits? How often will you update me? What's your policy on job site cleanup? What happens if I'm not satisfied?
What about materials?
What type of cabinet construction do you use? You're looking for all plywood, not particle board. Which cabinet brands do you carry? What warranty comes with the cabinets? Where do you source countertops?
Won't contractors get annoyed by all these questions?
Professional contractors welcome these questions. If a contractor gets defensive or evasive, that tells you everything you need to know.
What if homeowners feel overwhelmed?
Start with the pre-hiring checklist. Print it out, check off each item. Use the question list during every consultation. Compare answers between contractors.
Final advice?
Trust your instincts. If something feels off, if communication is poor before hiring, if they pressure you or avoid questions, walk away. There are excellent contractors in Fairfax County who will welcome your scrutiny.
Thanks for joining us on Home Renovation Insights. Use this checklist, ask these questions, and you'll find the right contractor. Until next time, renovate smart.